2021 RAM TRX in. We got QTP or QuickTime Performance cutouts that we're installing. Then we got running boards and she will be done.
Today in the Bay we have a 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid, getting Suntek matte PPF. Honestly, if you haven't ridden in one of these things, I highly recommend it. One of the fastest things I've ridden in. But once we get it all wrapped up and protected, it should be able to handle those 130-mile-an-hour plus pulls, no problem.
Oh, look at that. That's friggin' perfect. So you can do one like that. Epic angles. This one like this. Bang, bang. That looks good to me. It's got a little heat shield. Oh, I could put it on here. That's probably what it's for. Okay. I would say keep filming, but I gotta go get a wrench. I'm struggling with my nuts, okay? Some of us just have a problem. Just kidding. Weirdo. Sometimes I take naps down here. We just take a nap. Robbie's up in his office, doesn't know anything. Stop. This is hard. I can't get it to plug in. There she goes. Nothing. Sounds like it's going. Yeah, like the exact same time.
So if you got a Plaid, you have to get the real Plaid sticker. Look at that. Ah! You put as a spoof video for my birthday. Now you got a real Plaid.
What's up, y'all? We just finished up on the TRX. We got some QTP exhaust cutouts and power running boards. Come check this out. Now, this might blow your mind just a little bit. You ready for it? I don't think you are. You ready for it? Check it out. Boom. Powered running boards. That's sick.